The 2023 BMW X1 xDrive23d is a great choice for those looking for a car with plenty of power and fuel efficiency. The 2-liter diesel engine produces 211 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful cars in its class. It also has mild hybrid technology to help reduce fuel consumption and emissions, giving it an impressive combined fuel economy of 44.8 mpg. The exterior design is both stylish and practical. It also comes with 20-inch individual wheels as standard for an added touch of sophistication. Inside the cabin, you will find plenty of space for 5 passengers to travel comfortably. There are also numerous storage compartments throughout the car to store your belongings securely while on the move. The interior also features high-quality materials such as leather upholstery and wood trim to give it a luxurious feel. Safety is another area where the X1 excels thanks to its advanced driver assistance systems. These include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, which can help keep you safe on the road. The performance capabilities of the car are impressive too, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7 seconds and top speed of 130 miles per hour achievable when driving in sport mode. This makes it great for those who want to enjoy some spirited driving from time to time without compromising on fuel efficiency or safety features. Overall, the new BMW X1 is an excellent choice for those looking for a car that offers plenty of power and efficiency in one package. With its stylish exterior design, spacious interior, and advanced safety features, it's sure to be popular amongst drivers looking for their next vehicle purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.